ZAVIRA Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. First time setup, registering your administrator. Step 1. Enter setup mode. Press star and hash to enter setup mode. Step 2. Enter default password. Enter default password 123456. Press hash to confirm. After accessing the main menu, to add administrator, press 1 for user management. Then press 1 again to add admin. Fingerprint password card registration. Press 1 to input fingerprint password or card. Face recognition. Press 2 for face recognition. The infrared fill light flashes slowly. Position yourself in front of the camera and rotate your head according to the machine prompts. Palm vein recognition. Press 3 to enter palm vein. The infrared fill light flashes slowly. Place your palm facing the palm vein recognition module. Slowly approach the palm vein module from far to near. Registration complete. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add user, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. To add user, after accessing the user management menu, select option 2, add users. Follow the same process as adding administrator to add a user. To delete user, after accessing the user management menu, select 3 to delete users. You can delete the user by their number or all users altogether. Note, the current administrator logged into the settings interface will not be deleted. Congratulations, you're connected.